Since I was in my mid to late 40s, I began to have increased difficulty in seeing. All my life I'd had perfect vision, and as I entered my mid 40s, seeing became difficult. I needed to have more light. Started wearing reading glasses and thought that it was just close-up vision that was going, and for the most part that's all it was. Didn't think that I had any distance problems, and I really didn't, but I did have some distance problems, and I didn't realize that until I came for a checkup one day. I made an appointment to come see Dr. Horn at Vision for Life, and we talked about some options. We had my procedure done in November of 2019. Did one eye, my left eye first, and then my right eye, and what an amazing difference. The surgery only took about 15-20 minutes itself. I remember telling my wife on the way home, honey, the color difference between the two eyes was just amazing. And everything was a bit dilated, but by that evening, I could read the smallest print. We went to a restaurant and was able to read the smallest print on the menu with my left eye. Still couldn't read it with my right eye, but that first night, the very first night after my surgery, instant improvement. And then the next week, I think it was a week or 2 weeks later, I had the right eye done, and it was the same thing. I came home that night, and then I can remember on the way home that I would see a traffic light, and it was amazing to me that that traffic light wasn't just a green blob or a yellow blob or a red blob. You could see the individual pixels in the traffic light. And all these years I had been thinking that it was just a blob of light up there, a green light, a yellow light. No, it's a series of little LEDs all in there, and you can see all of those. The best part about seeing better again, I'd have to say, number one is not having to wear the readers around tucked in my shirt. You walk around with those readers, you gotta have readers either on your head or tucked in your shirt. Where are my readers? I can't do anything without the readers. Well, now I'm no longer concerned about glasses. I can see perfectly with both eyes. I have, they say that I have a bionic eye in my left eye, which is incredibly perfect. I can see just amazing with my left eye. My right eye is 20/20. It's perfect as well. They just say one eye is a little better than the other, but I'm totally happy with the lens replacement that I had. Would I recommend Vision for Life? Yes. Dr. Horn and the folks here at Vision for Life are very helpful. They have a great staff, and always look forward to my visit with Vision for Life.